मिस टीन डिवा प्रोग्राम रेना पुनिया सोरेस खिताब को जीत करेना पुनिया जुवनपुरी और उना पुनिया खिताब दो हुई कना मिस टीन ग्रैंड इंडिया, मिस टीन वर्ल्ड इंडिया, मिस टीन यूनिवर्स इंडिया और मिस टीन इंटरनेशनल इंडिया। उना पुनिया खिताब मुद्रे मिस टीन यूनिवर्स इंडिया रेना खिताब जीत करेना 18 सेरमा उम्र रेन ट्रिश्ना रॉय अड़ी कम हर को बड़ाया जे टीन डिवा फाइनल रेना 16 दिन मांग ट्रिश्नावा एक्सीडेंट हुई लेन तया डाक्टर उन्हें कम रेना मिद हफ्ता रेस्ट हताव को मेताव देता है मेनखान उन्हें नुआ एक्सीडेंट ते हो बाय दो मावलेना नुआ एक्सीडेंट तायम हो तृष्णा मिटचन दो बांग पुनिया खिताबे जीत करा कना उना को तो हुई को कना बेस्ट इन रैंप वॉक, बेस्ट ब्यूटी विथ ब्रेन्स, बेस्ट इन स्पीच, मिस टीन इंडिया ईस्ट।
After the auditions, 35 very strong and very worthy competitors of mine were selected. We had vigorous training for an entire year, and the pageant was originally supposed to happen in December, but due to the boards of 10th and 12th students, the pageant was delayed up till April, and it was very difficult. The training was very difficult, and the competitors were very tough, but I fought through and I made up to this position of Miss Teen Universe 2022.
When it was the competition was held, and next what's your program?
The competition was held in this April, 6th to 13th of April, and I will be representing India in Miss Teen Universe in Puerto Rico, which is in Central America. And most probably I'll have this pageant this year itself in September and October, and very hopefully I will make India very, very proud.
Who were helpful to you to this?
I actually have a lot of people to be grateful to. My parents for supporting me in my decision, my friends for always having my back whenever I fell, my organization for providing me this opportunity so that I could shine through, and my college for being so supportive to me. I really hope I make India very proud and I win the title of Miss Teen Universe.